Hello there guys, it's Jake here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on this Triumph Bobber 1200. So here it is, it's 2019 on a 19 plate, 1,293 miles on it. I say absolute gorgeous looking bike. It is very different to any of the others you've seen. Finishing this really lovely glossy black colour scheme. Super clean, Vance and Hines exhaust on there as well, so it sounds absolutely wicked. Of course, you get them really nice spoked wheels that really just match the entire bike. Half digital, half analog display as well. With that you get your trips, but it's still in keeping with its retro styling. You get them really nice ape bars with it as well, with the drop down bar end mirrors. But lovely bit of kit. They are very popular, these, and this one is a bit different. Still got your rider modes on there as well. But if you are interested, get yourself down, give us a call, get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.